Good day everyone. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility to protect. With these good quotes, I would like to present our company, which is Bioalgae Sundrian Berhad. I'm PAVITHRAH SUBRAMANIAM, the marketing manager of this company. Here I introduce our company's official logo and our product, which is Bioalgae Pesticides. As you can see in our logo, have conical flask represent as biological manufactured product and algae as main item to our pesticides. Then the insect legs symbolize to kill them. Our product specification. First diagram shows preparations of different formulations of bioalgae pesticides and control. Then figure 2 shows final products of our bioalgae pesticides and compare with what. The purpose to develop this product mainly to minimize the use of synthetic chemical pesticides and genetically engineered organisms. This may reduce their negative environmental impact. Second, as insects grow resistant to synthetic pesticides, natural pesticides must be developed that do not develop resistance. Thirdly, natural plant which is made from microalgae extract is modified by using synthetic chemical during extraction and processing. Lastly, microalgae aids in the reductions of chemical substance while also increasing agriculture productivity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kausalya Silvaraju and my matrix number is SB2006. So today, I am representing Bioalgae Sundrian Berhad as Financial Manager. First of all, I want to start my presentation with the target audience for our company product, which is biopesticide. So our most important target for our product is farmers. Since biopesticide is low cost, farmers can afford it, and then people and harvest are not hurt by biopesticides, and there is no harm or build-up left on the produce. And then lastly, nature follows through its logical end in killing the vermin and nothing else by matching the right normal foe in the inversion. And then another target audience for our product will be public, since it is easier and safer to use in a housing environment. Next is cost and sale price of the product. So I would like to continue with the materials first. First of all, algae, and then the nutrients needed to grow the algae, and then glucose, nitrogen source, yeast extract, and then bottle to fill up the biopesticide. So overall total for the production will be 2,550 ringgit and 90 cent in total. So we would like to sell the product for 30 ringgit for each bottle, and then for the profit we will get 5 ringgit for each bottle, and in total we are producing 100 bottles in one-time production. So 500 ringgit will be the profit in one-time production for our company. For the last part of my presentation, I would like to continue with the competitors for the biopesticide. Conventional biopesticide are the ones that people are familiar with, so that it will be a little bit harder to change people's mind to get trust on biopesticide. Since it is new to the people, they will be scared to buy the things. And then conventional pesticides kill the pest quicker and highly effective in controlling target pest populations, since biopesticides are late and slower in time. Nevertheless, biopesticide can compete well here, since it is very often less toxic than the conventional pesticides.
Hi, my name is THAWATCHAI and my matrix ID is SB19024. Next, I'll be presenting on how our product is developed and produced. So basically, we have developed the upstream and downstream processes to obtain the microalgae after cultivating it in a bioreactor. In addition, we had also designed a storage system and the cultivating media for the growth of our microalgae. So from then on, our biopesticide was manufactured in our factory step by step. So for upstream and downstream processes, we start off with having a clear idea on our product, which include the raw material and technique. Next, we select our organism of interest. So in our case, we have picked the microalgae. This microalgae will undergo some strain screening to select the best strain for our product. Then we will formulate our medium and optimize it so that it meets the requirement for the growth of microalgae. The next step involves fermentation in a small-scale bioreactor, and when all of this is proven to be successful, we will scale it up and undergo process kinetics. For downstream processes, when the fermentation is done and we obtain our product, we will first separate the biomass, and then it will undergo purification and concentration. And lastly, we will obtain the microalgae that we needed. For storage, we had chosen the low temperature method where we freeze it before storing it in the freezer. And for our choices of bioreactor, we had chosen the bubble column bioreactor. The advantage of this bioreactor is that it has low capital cost, a high surface area to volume ratio, it has immobile parts, and it has the ability to provide sufficient heat. And of course, it has an effective oxygen release system. Next, for the manufacturing process, our product production process was divided into 3 distinct steps. And the active component will first be produced in a factory before being formulated. And then after being diluted, the pesticide will be finished and ready for packaging and labeling before being supplied to farmers and other field of people for use. To manufacture the biopesticide, the first step involved raw material procurement. So for our case, we had to cultivate our microalgae in a bioreactor. So what we need to do next is to let it undergo some downstream processes before obtaining the best microalgae for production of pesticide. The other raw materials include some active ingredients, additive, and dispersion agents. Next, if necessary, the raw ingredients mentioned in the previous step will undergo some processing. The next step is formulating and pre-mixing. All the raw material will be measured for the correct amount and mixed together. The base liquid, dispersion agent, active ingredients, microalgae, and other additives will be mixed according to the formula ratio. So during pre-mixing, the ingredients are dispersed into the base liquid. Typically, a high-speed agitator or disperser is used. Next, they will be processed by the media mill, such as the beet mill. The premix is milled until the required size is obtained. The product might undergo some other processing like drying if necessary. The product will undergo QC check next to make sure that the quality is ensured. And lastly, we obtain the complete product, and it will undergo a series of bottling, packaging, labeling, and packing. Our product is unique because it has no negative impacts on plants, animals, public health, or the environment. Our biopesticide exhibit lethal activity against pests while not harming the environment. It prevents pests from acquiring resistance, and this pesticide will result in higher crop output. The company has been registered under the Pesticide Act of 1974, and our certification includes SUBRAMANIAM, ISO 9001, which gives consumer assurance that our product is safe and trustworthy. And this certification also provides protection to our product from the competition of fault items and misinterpretation. And this certification could also improve our product's reputation, hence expanding our market, because certification is also an effective marketing tool. And that's all from us. Thank you.